Hello everyone, I am Dakshin. Now we are going to say about birds migration. Why do birds migrate? There are several reasons behind them. First reason is because of food scarcity. Second, due to climatic condition, and third, for reproduction. Now let's see about bar-headed goose. Bar-headed goose is the highest flying bird in the world and migrate to India every in winter season. The bar-headed migrate over the Himalayas and spend their winter in Assam to Tamil Nadu states of India. Now let's see about Arctic tern. A tiny bird from Fran Island of Northumberland has clocked up the longest migration ever recorded. The Arctic tern meandering journey to Antarctica and back saw it clock up 59,650 miles, more than the twice of circumference of planet. Approximately 1,800 of world's 10,000 bird species are long-distance migrants. Many bird populations migrate long distance along a flyaway. Now let's see about best places to see migratory bird in India. First, Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary in Rajasthan. Migratory bird found here are painted stork, water flow, etc. Chilika Lake in Odisha. Migratory bird found in here are gadwall, northern pintail, and Eurasian bill. And third, Kumarakonam Bird Sanctuary in Kerala. Migratory bird found here are Siberian crane, India peaceful egrets. Thank you guys. Have a nice